Join me as I make a trellis for my cucumbers right there. First, let's lay out the design. There we go. I like that. Let's make it happen. It's too tall. Immediately.
What?
I can't reach it.
Those two vertical stakes that you see there are 8-foot tall bamboo stakes. They're the longest two that I used for this build. I'm trying to figure out how to reach them at this point.
I know what to do. So that I can reach it.
Patio furniture for the win. Now this is a raised bed from Smart Pots. It's one of the ones that uses a PVC frame that is sold separately from the bed. And I'm just gonna add this first cross piece here. And now I'm gonna check that it's level and watch my little buddy. He just copies my hand motions and it's adorable. And I did not notice this until I watched the video back. That was so cute.
Yeah, they are.
And you're gonna see him helping me throughout this video. Whoa, almost fell there for a second. Now I am using zip ties to hold this together. I know some people would probably use twine and make it look really cute, but I'm a dad and dads love using zip ties for everything. So that's what I'm doing and it works and it's cheap.
Why would you do that? Not funny.
Daddy, I'm touching you.
Not funny.
Yeah, you can see he's just being a really big help. So I'm actually starting with longer pieces. These are 6-foot cross pieces on top, and then I'm gonna progressively, oh!
You fall. You okay? You're stuck? You get stuck in the net?
That was pretty funny. So we have some bird netting covering our strawberry plants over there, and his shoe got stuck in the bird netting.
Hey, not funny.
Anyway, the goal of this trellis is to grow my cucumbers on it, but I'm starting with wider at the top and then going to smaller. I just kind of like the way this design is going to look. And right here, I'm realizing that I hadn't spaced them out enough, so I'm spacing them out a little bit longer. Doing all this by just eyeballing it. Then my wife decided to come out and interrupt me. She has no idea that I'm filming. And so I said, hey, as long as you're here, why don't you hold the other side of this stick right here? Make yourself useful while you ask me 1 million questions while I'm trying to work. And I'm not very good at multitasking, so she was asking me questions and I probably wasn't giving very good answers. So she left and I got to do the rest of this on my own. These bamboo stakes are really cheap, so I thought they were a really good price. I actually only spent about $12 on bamboo and I already had the zip ties. So I'm just going to add this last piece here, the vertical member, just something else for the cucumber vines to wrap around and give it a little bit of extra stability there. Overall, this was a pretty cheap and easy project, and I like how it turned out, and hopefully we get a ton of cucumbers from it this year.
There it is.
What?
I said there it is.